Hello, everyone! Decorating your home with practical ideas can transform your space into an organized, stylish, and functional environment without breaking the bank. Home decor isn't just about aesthetics, it's about designing a home that works for your lifestyle. In this article, we'll explore practical decorating ideas to inspire your next home makeover. 1. Maximizing small spaces. When working with limited square footage, efficient use of space is key. Start by investing in multifunctional furniture. For example, a sofa bed or an ottoman with storage can provide seating and double as storage for blankets or toys. Wall-mounted shelves are great for displaying decor without taking up floor space, while vertical storage solutions like tall bookcases or cabinets help declutter your space. 2. Smart use of mirrors. Mirrors are not just decorative, they are functional pieces that can visually enlarge any room. In small spaces, mirrored furniture such as side tables or cabinets can add a modern and sophisticated touch without overwhelming the room. 3. DIY wall art. Rather than spending a lot of money on expensive paintings or prints, consider creating your own wall art. You can create an eclectic gallery wall by mixing and matching different types of frames and artwork. Another cost-effective option is painting an accent wall or using wallpaper as a focal point. Stencils and decals can also personalize your space with minimal effort. 4. Decluttering with style. A clutter-free home is more practical and peaceful. Keep things organized by incorporating stylish storage solutions like wicker baskets, decorative boxes, or hidden cabinets. Use floating shelves to store and display items in an aesthetically pleasing way. Keep surfaces clear by limiting items on countertops, tables, and dressers to a few decorative objects and necessities. 5. Sustainable decorating. Eco-friendly home decor is a rising trend, not just for its environmental benefits, but for the earthy, natural vibe it brings to your space. Vintage furniture from secondhand stores can be repurposed and given a new life, adding charm to your home without contributing to waste. Adding plants, whether it's a large potted tree or small succulents, can also create a natural, eco-friendly atmosphere while improving air quality. 6. Layering textures for warmth. Creating a cozy, welcoming environment is all about layering textures. Introduce a mix of materials like wool, linen, velvet, and cotton through throw pillows, blankets, and rugs. Use textured wall hangings, such as macrame or woven tapestries, for a unique boho-inspired aesthetic. A plush area rug not only adds warmth to a room, but also grounds the furniture, making the space feel more cohesive. Layering rugs of different textures can also be a great way to add visual interest. 7. Efficient lighting. Lighting can completely transform a room's ambiance and functionality. A practical approach is to use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Overhead lighting provides general illumination, while task lighting, such as desk lamps or under-cabinet lights, focuses on work areas. Accent lighting, like wall sconces or decorative floor lamps, highlights architectural features or artwork. You can also use dimmers to adjust lighting levels according to your mood or activity. 8. Incorporating multifunctional furniture. In homes where space is limited, or for those who prefer a minimalist lifestyle, multifunctional furniture is a must. Items like fold-down desks, extendable dining tables, or modular sofas can change shape or purpose to fit your needs, while nesting tables can provide extra surface area when needed and be neatly tucked away when not in use. Furniture that serves more than one function helps you make the most of your space without overcrowding it. 9. Color palette with purpose. Choosing a cohesive color scheme is essential for creating a harmonious and practical living space. Neutral tones like beige, gray, and white offer versatility, making it easier to switch up your decor without clashing. For a more vibrant look, incorporate accent colors through throw pillows, curtains, or wall art, while warmer tones like red and orange can energize a living room or kitchen. 10. Personalized decor. A home should reflect your personality, and adding personal touches is one of the most practical decorating ideas. Display items that are meaningful to you, such as family photos, travel souvenirs, or books. Personalized wall art, custom-made furniture, or DIY projects can add a unique flair to your space. Incorporating elements that are significant to your hobbies or interests, such as a gallery wall of framed vinyl records for music lovers, adds personality while making the space truly yours. 11. Budget-friendly upgrades. You don't need to break the bank to update your home decor. Simple changes like swapping out cabinet handles, light fixtures, or throw pillow covers can make a big impact. Updating your window treatments or adding new curtains can instantly change the feel of a room. 12. Seasonal transitions. Switching up your decor to reflect the changing seasons is a practical way to keep your home feeling fresh and inviting. For fall, add cozy elements like knit blankets, plaid pillows, or autumnal colors. In the spring, switch to lighter fabrics, floral prints, and pastel hues. This allows you to enjoy a fresh and updated look without having to redecorate completely. Conclusion: practical decorating ideas combine functionality, style, and personal flair to create a home that's not only beautiful, but also works for your everyday life. Whether you're looking to maximize small spaces, incorporate sustainable materials, or add personal touches, these tips will help you elevate your home decor without compromising on practicality. The key is to blend form and function, ensuring that each element in your home contributes to a space that feels organized, welcoming, and reflective of your personality. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas.